Understanding SQL errors is crucial for database management, helping identify and resolve issues efficiently to maintain smooth operations. Grasping SQL errors involves knowing syntax, semantic, and runtime errors, each affecting query execution differently. SQL errors can be categorized into syntax, semantic, and runtime errors, each with distinct causes and impacts on query performance. SQL errors significantly affect query performance, data integrity, and application behavior, making error resolution essential for smooth database operations. Interpreting error messages, including HTTP error codes and BigQuery-specific messages, aids in diagnosing and resolving SQL query issues. SQL errors can cause downtime, impact decision-making, and lead to inefficient resource utilization, affecting business operations. Identifying common SQL errors is the first step in troubleshooting and improving query reliability and performance. Syntax errors, like missing parentheses, misplaced commas, and invalid operators, disrupt SQL query execution and need careful correction. Semantic errors arise from undefined columns, invalid functions, and unresolved table references, affecting logical query integrity. Runtime errors, such as division by zero, improper null handling, and table locking issues, occur during query execution and need prompt resolution. SQL errors can lead to data integrity issues like data mismatch, corruption, and loss, compromising database reliability. Employing strategies for troubleshooting SQL errors ensures efficient resolution and minimizes impact on database operations. Query validation tools help detect and fix syntax and semantic errors, ensuring SQL queries are logically correct and effective. Performance optimization through query tuning, indexing strategies, and resource allocation improves SQL query efficiency and execution speed. Implementing error logging, root cause analysis, and iterative query revision helps in proactively resolving SQL errors. Following best practices like code reviews, documentation, and training ensures efficient and error-free SQL query writing. Thank you for engaging with our guide on understanding and troubleshooting SQL errors. For further assistance, contact dwbiadda@gmail.com.